Ramadan Food Box. Let's get started. Idek Makbur all of you on this third day of Ramadan, and we, the 10 Afghani and I, are making you a Ramadan food box. We'll start with a couscous salad. For that, we need cucumbers, mint, water, ivar, fresh herbs, and of course, amazing spices. This is what it looks like when it's done. Delicious, right? Next, some lemon and orange zest. Wow! And onto a tasty cucumber and apple salad. For that, we need cucumbers, apples, dill, oil. Mix it well. Don't forget the fresh herbs and lovely spices. Yum! A carrot salad with orange segments. Here's how they're made. Add oil, carrots, oranges, salt and pepper, oil, fresh herbs, and don't forget the honey. Looks delicious, right? Here come the chicken thighs. No, you're not the boss. We need chicken, salt, pepper, paprika oil, curry, and honey. Yes, a bit more pepper. Lemon zest. They look delicious. Ramadan food box today, and this is what goes in it. That's how it looks. Ha, what are you bringing us? Potato salad, boiled potatoes, onions, salt and pepper, oil, fresh herbs, and vegetable broth. Done. And some freshly ground pepper. Thank you. So many salads. Ramadan food box today. You're welcome. Ramadan Mubarak to you too. Cleaning up now, and I say goodbye until next time. Ha, my friend is joining in. But now, goodbye.
Sehr gut, oder?
Ja.
Wir sagen auch Idek Mabruk nach Afghanistan, oder was sagt ihr zum Fastenbrechen in Afghanistan? Wie heißt es? Was wünschst du dir?
Ne,